Stop! Don't even think about booking a tour to Guatape until you watch this video. Most people spend double what they should, or worse, they end up stuck in a 6-hour traffic jam because they gave Papaya with their timing. Today, I am showing you exactly how to get from Medellin to the most colorful town in the world, breaking down every single peso you will spend, and how to avoid the scams that target tourists at the base of the rock. Let's get straight into the real numbers. Your journey starts in Medellin, and you have two main ways to get there. Option A is the bus. This is the choice of the savvy traveler. Head to the Terminal del Norte, located right at the Caribe metro station. Look for ticket booths number 9 or 14. A one-way ticket costs about 20,000 pesos, which is roughly $5. Don't give Papaya here, keep your backpack with you at all times and never put it in the overhead compartment of the bus. Option B is an Uber or a private driver. If you are looking for comfort, an Uber will cost you anywhere between 150,000 to 250,000 pesos, that is $40 to $60, depending on the time of day. It is faster, but it is 10 times the price. My advice? Take the bus early and save that money for a better meal. Tell the bus driver to drop you off at La Piedra, not the town. You want to climb the rock before the midday heat hits. The entrance fee is currently 25,000 pesos, about $6 or $7. Safety warning: buy your tickets only at the official booth located at the top of the parking lot. If someone approaches you on the stairs or in the parking area offering FastPass tickets or VIP access, they are scamming you. That does not exist. You have to climb all 740 steps just like everyone else. After the climb, do not walk to the town. Take a colorful tuk-tuk instead. The ride should not cost you more than 15,000 pesos for the entire vehicle. Once in Guatape, explore the Zocalos and the famous Umbrella Street. For lunch, a solid bandeja paisa or a local trout dish will run you between 30 and 45,000 pesos in the tourist areas. If you walk just 2 blocks away from the main square, you can find the same meal for half that price. Let's do the math for a full day trip per person, going by bus, round-trip bus, 40,000 pesos. Rock entrance fee, 25,000 pesos. Tuk-tuk and some snacks, 20,000 pesos. Lunch, 35,000 pesos. The total is about 120,000 pesos, or approximately $32. If you decide to take an Uber and eat at the fanciest spots, expect to spend closer to $100 per person. The choice is yours. The most common way people give Papaya in Guatape is with the return trip. On weekends, the last buses fill up in minutes. As soon as you arrive at the town, go to the small transportation terminal and buy your return ticket immediately for 5 or 6 in the evening. If you wait until the last moment, you might be stranded or forced to pay $100 for a desperate taxi back to Medellin. Guatape is a paradise, but only if you are a Vespa. Did these prices surprise you? Let me know in the comments. And remember, don't give Papaya, and Colombia will give you everything. Make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell, because in our next video, we are heading back to the city to visit the absolute best nightclubs in Medellin, from the hidden rooftops in Provenza to the legendary salsa spots that only locals know about. You don't want to miss it. See you in the next one.